Hello Mzansi, welcome to us Khuluma with Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. We are trender Carlo Radebe lokuyi actor guys. Udlale ke ngisho nalaphana ku backstage. Bana bani bamthanza ngendlela lesimanga siyathi ukuthi he's a very talented man ke sana when it comes to acting nje uhamba yedwa. Utrend emva kokuthi akhulume ukuthi he is dry and out and he was requesting for donations to people and bebangaqala abantu kumdonatela bake bamdonatela uthi akasatholi amagig oku-actor and impilo seyimatima ngendlela lesimanga. So bekalaphana ku-podcast and chill ya Mac G where he spoke about a lot of things but bantu abazange bathanze ukuthi hayibo wayebo Mac G bafuna kwenta imali ngalo board instead of just offering him a job bona bafuna kuthola ama-views nje laphana ku-YouTube channel yabo ngenxa yokuthi bam-interview njena because they know ukuthi people are gonna watch cause vele bafuna kwati ukuthi kwentekani ngayo. So yeah, bana bani bakhuluma kabi njenga Mac G bathi Mac G angenda noma ngabe yini for imali ke sona. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out, so goodbye.